Good morning. PC Tech 1068 in this mobile once again on a Thursday morning. How's everybody out there today? I just want to say hey. But anybody out there, I want to say good morning to you. Well, I think that I had a video yesterday and I think it was alright, but you know, it was hot yesterday, it's going to be hot today. And that's the way it is in Dover, Delaware. I said, what? I said Dover, Delaware. That's what I said. I know. You said Dover, Delaware. Oh, okay. So anyways, how's everybody out there? And, is any of my split personalities out there today? Because, you know, I didn't get one split personality. I'm going to make him first today. He's a 95-year-old man. That's who he is, the 95-year-old man. So come on out, 95-year-old man. Let me see how you talk and how you been, and if they've been messing with you in my body and everything. Go ahead, 95-year-old man.
Hey, PC Tech 1068, how you doing?
Doing okay, 95-year-old man. What you been doing?
I've been just in your body, and I'm just trying to get out of there and talk, and they wouldn't let me, you know. I just couldn't understand why. I guess because I'm 95 years old and I didn't know what to do. I had to hit the one kid in the head with my shoe. I took my shoe off and hit him and all that, and it was just terrible. PC Tech 1068, I didn't mean to hurt the little guy, but he wouldn't let me get up there and try to get in there and talk. Yesterday I was trying to get out of there, and I couldn't do it. PC Tech 1068, if you're a 95-year-old man, said that. Well, 95-year-old man, if them kids start with you, get them. Because they think they own you. They think they do. 95-year-old man, just because you're older, you're older than them, you know what I mean? You know my point. They shouldn't walk over you. If you want to come out on my video, you're more than welcome. Because I think you're cool. You may be 95 years old, who cares? You're a nice guy. Anyways, 95-year-old man, did you have a good weekend? Yeah, I had a decent weekend. I was trying to find out why you haven't did your videos, PC Tech 1068. I don't know why you haven't did your videos.
Well, you know, I've been busy, 95-year-old man, and I'm trying to do them now, and, you know, that if you get busy, you know, if you get busy, 95-year-old man, you should know this. You don't have time to do that much. You know what I mean? You don't have that much time to do that much. But I put 2 videos out yesterday, and, you know, one in the car and one where I was at yesterday, and I think that one come out all right. But, yeah, but I just telling you, 95-year-old man, don't let the young kids come and, think they own you, because they don't, you know what I mean? You may be older than them, but you can kick their butt, you know what I mean? You've been longer there, and you're 95 years old, and don't take no crap from the young kids out there, you know what I mean, 95-year-old man? Because if they want to walk on you, then I'm going to throw them out of my body, and I'm not going to have them back. Now, who was the one that did it to you, 95-year-old man?
Well, let's see here, this guy called Demon, I don't know who he is, Demon999, I don't know, but he was real...
Sorry about that, guys, my batteries went out on my camera, I hate that when it happens, fix that. But anyways, I had some on my lens and I had to fix that too, so I'm back now. 95-year-old man, you still in there?
Yeah, I'm still here. He was talking and your camera turned off and I couldn't help it. You know, but anyways, I was talking to this young kid and his name's Demon999, and it was just terrible because, you know, he was mean, he was cussing at me and everything, and I said, little young punk, you know, you need to stop, you know? And he said, well, you know, I can't stop because I'm young and I'm a punk. But, you know, it's just that day, and that day was that yesterday. But anyways, I had to hit him with a shoe, and I made a little mark on his head, but I didn't mean to. But anyways, I'm going to let you go, PC Tech 1068, and I think someone else wants to get in your body, out of your body, whatever it is. But anyways, let me let them out so they can talk to you.
Okay, 95-year-old man, how you going?
Okay, you too.
Hey, PC Tech 1068, how you doing, man? Who is that, Mr. Kudu? Yeah, man, how you doing? Man, I'm doing okay, doing real good. Well, I heard that, indeed. I heard you talking to the 95-year-old man. Yeah, I was in there, too, and I seen that Demon 999 hit him. You know, try to hit him, and he hit him in the head with a shoe. 95-year-old man did a good thing. You know what I mean, man? Yeah, Mr. Kudu, I know what you mean. Well, PC Tech 1068, I just wanted to get in there and tell you what I seen, too. But, you have a good one, PC Tech 1068. I'll see you later, man. See you, 95-year-old man.
Hey, PC Tech 1068!
Hey, Sheila, how you doing?
I'm doing okay, how you doing?
I'm doing okay, how you doing today?
Well, I'm trying to find out, you know, I don't know what happened yesterday, but you said I'm gonna be your girlfriend, so I'll just be your friend.
Okay, that sounds better. You know, a friend. That's better, because I have a girlfriend.
Okay, well, I just want to tell you that, and I think someone else wants to get near your body. See you later, friend.
Alright, Sheila. Alright, piece of tech 1068. Who's that? Oh, Country Boy. Hey, Country Boy, how you doing? I'm doing okay. How you doing? I'm doing okay. You have that song? You want to sing that song? Yes, I do. I love singing that song just for you and all your fans out there on YouTube. Come on. All right, go ahead. A country road, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, my right hand, take me home, a country road. Thank you very much, Country Boy. No problem. Have a good one, PC Tech 1068. Anyways, I think someone else wants to get out. Who can it be? Who can it be? Let's see. I did a hip. Oh no, there he is. I did a hip. Hey, Rapping Man. Rapping Man, where you at, my good friend? Rapping Man, you gonna rap today? Rapping Man, where you at, my good friend? Rapping Man, rap every day. Rapping Man, where you at? Rapping Man, I wanna know. Rapping Man, you there yet? Rapping Man, where are you, my personality friend? Hey, BC Tech, how you doing? I'm doing okay, Rapping Man. That's good to know. That's real good to know. I have a rap just for you and your fans out here on YouTube. Okay, well, let's see how you rap. Go ahead. Okay, I'm gonna rap. Just hold on. Yo, my friends out there in the inner land, that's what I am. I'm your friend, Rapping Man, don't you know, your friend? I'm your friend, don't you know? Yo, PC Tech 1068 is my good friend, you know he is. And all my YouTube friends out there say hi to me. Rapping Man said, yeah, I'm a rapper, don't you know? I like my good friend, PC Tech 1068, don't you know? He's my good friend. But other YouTubers out there, I know you know, and I know they know, and everybody knows that I'm the best rapper out here on this video. The crazy rapper, the lazy rapper, the crappy rapper, I don't care. I like playing, and you don't like it, well that's the way it got to be. But I think I made my voice really trippy, and I made my voice really crappy. But I don't know, what am I supposed to do? Oh no, here I go. Who's coming out of my body, don't you know? That's what I am, don't you know? I'm tripping, don't you know? I'm PC Tech 1068. Yo, I tell you, that's PC Tech 1068 going in the body. And you don't know what to do, don't you know, good friend, don't you know, he's my friend. Oh, I know, you know, he knows he kicked my dog, you know. Who kicked my dog, you know who kicked my dog, don't you know? Yo, you kicked my dog. Yo, why'd you kick it? Yo, you kicked my dog, and I'm gonna get you for that. Well, everybody out there say hey. Everybody out there say ho. Everybody out there say, did you kick my dog? That's all I wanna know, Don't you know, I gotta go. Don't you know, I gotta go. Don't you know, I gotta go. All my good friends out there, you know it's me, Rapping Man, don't you know? I'm rapping man. That's what I am, I'm rapping man. You know my good friend, I'm rapping man. Rapping man. Yo, rapping man. I've gotta go.
See you later, I gotta go. I gotta go. See you later. He's gotta go. I know, he's gotta go. Yes, he does. He gotta go. He's gotta go, and he's going. He's going. I gotta go.